So we're looking at aggregate functions, and the different aggregate functions that we'll look at, and you all can't see my screen. You need to tell me when you can't see my screen.
Can't see your screen.
Thank you. When you see me doing stuff and you're like, we're going to look at count, we're going to look at sum, we're going to look at average, we're going to look at max, and we're going to look at min. Okay, people?
Okay.
How do we do comments in SQL? Are they C style? They're C style, but only like that. So, my mouse, come on mouse. All right, so we'll look at count first, and to do that, I need to see what databases I have, so I'm going to list out my databases. And which one had a lot of records? I put a lot of records in the food one, I think, which we have Acme sales, business climbing, cooking. It was either cooking or restaurant.
Cooking.
So is it cooking?
Yeah, that
Change.
ingredients.
Change into cooking, and then I could see my tables, the details of my tables there, and I could do a select star from, I don't know, what would it be? Not ingredients, not measurements, recipe classes, recipe ingredients, recipes. I don't think I have that many recipes. I forgot the semicolon. Recipes. There we go. Why is that not working? Select star from recipes. There we go. I've got 12 recipes there. Count them out. But we could do the count. Select count recipe title as total recipes from recipes. Does that sound right? How many people think that will give me an answer? 12. And it said, I think we could also use distinct. So select count distinct recipe title as total distinct recipes from recipes. So same number because I don't have any duplicates. When I look at my tables, ingredients, measurements, recipes, I'm going to switch to a different database. I'm going to go look at see what's in restaurant. Change database to restaurant. And then show me the details of that one. I've got ingredients, recipes. That's not that many. What's another one that I have? List out all my database.
Hollywood.
What was it?
Hollywood?
Hollywood. Oh, I think we had a lot of movie rentals, didn't we? Hollywood. And show me the details of my tables. And we have rentals. So details of rentals. I've got rental ID, CID, movie ID, right? And then if we remember what rentals look like, Hollywood look like, let's go look at that. Ah, there's Hollywood. I'm not capturing my queries. Let me copy this one query over into our notes. And let me copy the next one over into our notes. And this was from, those were from which database was recipes? It was list out my databases. It was from cooking. Was it cooking?
Yeah.
Cooking. So comment And now we are comment. And this is Hollywood. I'll make cooking small so that you know this is all count. All right, Hollywood. And I want to see the details of, I want to see my schema. That's what I came here for. Schema is going to be in our notes. Let's go look at that. Well, I've got that right there. Oh. You're watching this video online? There are the notes. Schema. Now let's update this. Hollywood database. Okay, so there's my Hollywood database. I'll put that down here. I'll bring this up here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Play nice now. There we go. There's Hollywood. Okay. Now I want to do select, and let's just do CName, c.cname, comma m.mname, comma a.a first from customers as C, join what? Rentals as R on c.cid equal to rental.cid. There's my first set, people. Where do the parens go? This from that. That's my first set. What's my next step? I've got that set of data. Now what I want to do, join it movies as M on r.mid is equal to m.mid. There's my next set. What I want to do with that set. I've got a set. What I want to do with it. Join it. Cast as C, A. Except it's not cast. It's going to be cast members. Because cast is a reserved word. So I'm going to just do it as CM. What's my next word that I type? On, thank you. What am I joining? What is my last one? I'm going stepping stone from where to where? I'm stepping stone from movies to cast, right? So it's going to be m.mid is equal to cm.mid. There's my next set. Now what? Join actors as A on cm.aid is equal to a.aid. There's my final set. Remember, you kind of get a chunk, and then you join it to the next chunk, and you join it to the next chunk, and that's sets. Now, we're all new to this, including me. So did I do that right? It's first semester I'm teaching this. Did I do that right? I haven't looked at it for a week. Did I do it right? I don't know.
Test it.
Test it, right? But does it look, anybody think no? Raise your hand. Anybody think yes? Raise your hand. All right, let's see what happens. A first doesn't exist. Schema. Actors, A first. And did I do actors as A? Join actors as A dot A first. So I need to go just look at maybe my tables. I need the details, and I need the details of actors, and it's called a name. So I need to come back here, and when I created it, a name. I guess that's all I need to change. There we go. Ooh, there's a lot of rentals. So this is a long video. We're going to continue this video in the next video.